In this video, I will show you how to leverage the power of artificial intelligence to perform a comprehensive audit of your Shopify store using Claude. Many store owners struggle to see their own website objectively, but using an AI model allows you to get an unbiased and critical perspective on your design and conversion flow. To start this process, simply head over to your Shopify storefront and copy the direct URL from your browser address bar. Once you have the link ready, open up a new chat session in Claude. Instead of just asking for a general review, you want to give the AI a specific persona to ensure the feedback is actionable. You should paste your store link and then type in a prompt that tells Claude to act as a critical first-time visitor. Specifically, ask it to list the top 3 things that confuse it regarding your navigation, your overall layout, or your current promotional offers. By framing the request this way, you force the AI to look for friction points that might be costing you sales right now. Claude will then browse your site and generate a prioritized list of immediate design and layout fixes. It might point out that your menu is cluttered, your main call to action is hidden, or your shipping policy is difficult to find. This gives you a clear roadmap of what to change without having to hire an expensive consultant. You can even follow up by asking for specific wording changes to make your value proposition clearer. Using this method regularly ensures that your storefront remains user-friendly and optimized for maximum conversions. By treating Claude as an expert auditor, you can catch small errors before they impact your bottom line. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this simple AI audit helps you take your Shopify business to the next level. If you found this helpful, be sure to try it out on your own site today.